sanitation crisis has hit the headlines, but there are tough challenges still. More than 2/3 of the country lives without a toilet in the midst of dirt and filth and diseases that are caused by that. These facts and statistics are very well known by now, but what needs to be looked at are the tough challenges that lie ahead on the road to change, both in terms of an absence in sanitation infrastructure as well as the need to change mindsets. We bring you some of these themes in the Dettol NDTV Swachh Express, a bus journey that travels across the country, looking at key districts and states, traveling deep inside urban settlements as well as villages in order to bring and highlight some of the issues on the ground. Broad avenues, colonial architecture, images that mask a sanitation crisis. Typical to most Indian cities, where a densely packed population lives without proper drains, proper sewage system, and in the midst of illness and disease. In any sanitation campaign, this is where the most urgent attention is needed. Which is why our Swachh Express bus flagged off its journey in Delhi's Kapashera, in the southwest fringes of the capital. Residents of Kapashera describe their living conditions as hellish.
लगभग 1000-1500 लोग हैं, शौचालय में पाँच है, तो उसमें नंबर में खड़े रहना पड़ता, बाकी इमरजेंसी में बाहर जाना पड़ता, मतलब खुलेआम करने जाना पड़ता.
While some residents were skeptical and even questioned whether the Swachh Express was a television gimmick, when the residents saw the intention and the Feedback Foundation volunteers at work, many decided to join in and said they hoped this would be the beginning of a more sustained effort to change the reality in places like Kapashera. From one end to the other, the bus travelled to East Delhi, to another slum area, to get this ground report. Geeta Colony in East Delhi has just 12 toilets for a population of 1,000. This is what they look like, the smell even more unbearable. Open defecation then becomes the norm, the reason too for rampant disease in this area.
शीला देवी, आपके यहाँ बच्चों को क्या दिक्कत आई थी? यहाँ
उल्टी लेटरिंग हो रहा था और डॉक्टर के पास ले गए, वो बोला गंदगी की वजह से हो रहा है, उसके दवाई चला.
तो क्या को आपकी बेटी अस्पताल में?
हाँ, यह मेरी लड़की थी और एक लड़का था बाबा ने.
तो फिर कितने दिन अस्पताल में रहे?
लड़का तो 1.5 महीने रखे.
1.5 महीने?
हाँ.
Repeated diarrhea has pushed them into malnutrition. Here's where it gets even more alarming. This vicious cycle of malnourishment and diseases can be fatal. Diarrhea and waterborne diseases kills 334,000 under 5-year-olds in India every year. The idea behind Swachh Express is not just to focus on the challenges that lie ahead in a sanitation campaign, but also at the same time to create interest and awareness by involving people through a series of ground events like this one held at Shankar Camp in Delhi. Open defecation as a norm is most problematic in urban areas, where there are few open spaces or fields, where people live cheek to jowl, where the risk of contamination is very high. Here the message is simple. While wider infrastructural changes are needed, people can help themselves with a few basic steps suggested by the Swachh Express volunteers.
कमर तक, यहाँ तक गड्ढा गोल खोदना है, गड्ढे के अंदर जालीदार चुनाई करना है, 7 से 10 साल तक आराम से चलेगा.
Hand washing too has a correct technique.
साबुन लेके खाली ऐसे ऐसे करने से नहीं होता है. ये जो गू के कीटाणु होते हैं ना, आपके यहाँ पे घर्षण सही तरीके से नहीं होगा, तब तक वो जीवाणु मरते नहीं हैं.
The Dettol NDTV Swachh Express will now be travelling across Rajasthan. Over the next few days, in villages of Alwar, Dausa and Jaipur, the Swachh Express will highlight the urgent need to build toilets and to follow proper sanitation measures. Even today, India has the highest number of people that defecate out in the open. Just 30 kilometers out of the state capital Jaipur, some shocking statistics. In Vatika village, a small hamlet where there is not a single toilet. The worst sufferers, women, forced to go out in the open.
बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा होता है हमारा। जैसे कोई आ गया तो खड़े हो जाते हैं, फिर वो जाएगा निकलेगा आगे तो फिर बैठेंगे तो 2 बार 3 बार तो उठना ही पड़ता है हमारे को।
But it's not just about inconvenience. Open defecation is a serious health hazard. According to World Health Organization figures, 70% of diseases are spread due to water and air contamination. And in that, open defecation plays a critical role. What's worse, let's look at infant mortality figures. More than 4 lakh children die in India alone each year due to dysentery. This is spread due to rotavirus, and again, open defecation is a critical cause.
जैसे ही थोड़ी खेतों में गया तो नाक बंद करके वापस आ गया। मतलब गांव में बढ़िया है, बड़े प्यार से बोल रहे हैं लोग, बातचीत अच्छी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही खेतों में गया तो वहां पे नाक बंद करके वापस आना पड़ा।
Finally, a reluctant acceptance from this backward nomadic community of Bilwa hamlet that they will build toilets as the Sarpanch steps forward with financial help.
सामान मैं दे रहा हूँ, उसके बाद आपको मजदूरी खुद को करनी है। पैसा जब भी आपको मिल जाए सरकार का, आप मुझे वापस लौटा देना, तब तक पैसा मैं टेलेगा।
ठीक साहब, ठीक साहब।
मजदूरी का पैसा आपके खाते में।
The government gives rupees 10,000 to each household that builds a toilet. But the condition is that money is only disbursed once the toilet has been made. But with a Sarpanch stepping forward to provide material where people cannot afford to make a toilet, a new beginning appears to have been made in the right direction. And Rajasthan could be on its way to meeting its target of constructing 15 lakh toilets in the state this year. In most villages in Rajasthan, travelling with the Dettol NDTV Swachh Express, one found that village people have mobile phones, they have motorbikes, they have pakka houses, but they don't want to build toilets. A lot of this has to do with a resistance to change. Mindsets that have been followed for generations just refuse to go away. But the Swachh Express aims to bring about that very change.
ऐसे कितने घर हैं जिन घरों में शौचालय होंगे?
Swachh Bharat, but on the ground, a different reality. Sanitation drives and the need to build toilets was started as far back as 1986. The first mission was called the Total Sanitation Campaign. Each government has subsequently, over the past 30 years, launched its own sanitation drives. But on the ground, change has been slow. There's absolutely no change on the ground. Lists and requirements have been made, but there is no execution. The Sarpanch is also not taking any interest. Despite all sorts of policies, not a single toilet has been constructed. Today, according to the 2011 census, there are 8 million more rural households that defecate in the open than there were in 2001. The Rajasthan government now wants to penalize those who don't build toilets, despite government offering funds to do so. The Panchayat department has proposed that all those who don't build toilets will not be eligible to fight Panchayat elections. Not only Panchayat elections, the government also plans to link pay hikes of Panchayat employees with toilets. Ration dealers in villages will also get licenses only if they build toilets in their homes. The Dettol NDTV Swachh Banega India campaign is also about changing mindsets. Many children during this journey have come up and told us that they have toilets in their homes, but they still go out in the open for defecation because their parents prefer to use the fields for defecation. Also, shockingly, many children have told us that after defecation, they wash their hands with water, but they don't use soap.
आप में से खुले में शौच कौन-कौन जाता है? सभी खुले में शौच जाते हैं।
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8
9, 10, 11, 12 एक म्यूजिक
Children in Madhogarh village of Alwar being taught the right way to wash their hands.
ये साबुन आप धो के जरा बताओ तो कैसे धोते हैं?
शौचालय घर में तो बाहर के जाते हो?
आदत बाहर की है सर बड़े सब ऐसे ही करते हैं इसलिए
सोच हम खुले में जाते हैं और यहाँ पे कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है और नदियों में जाते हैं कहीं भी कोई घर के पास भी जाते हैं कोई यहाँ पे व्यवस्था नहीं है.
Most of them here say they rarely use soap to wash their hands even after defecation. Others say despite having toilets in their homes, they still go out in the open for defecation.
नंगे पांव अगर बच्चे खेल रहे हैं और खुले में शौच होता है तो हुकवर्म बच्चों के पैर से हुकवर्म शरीर के अंदर आ जाता है जो माल न्यूट्रिशन का सबसे बड़ा कारण है तो होता है बच्चे मंदबुद्धि हो जाते हैं बच्चों का पेट निकल जाता है.
It may sound simple, washing hands with soaps and using toilets, but on the ground, mindsets don't change, especially if they have been practiced for generations. But making India open defecation free means more than just a Swachh India. It could actually mean a difference between life and death for many children.